It's part of a new program we're kicking off at the Digital Hub, which is really inspired by the last couple of years of running these sessions and some of the awesome feedback that we got. Probably Australia's most awesome AI program. You always hear me talk about this is about getting upstream. And the best way to understand what's going to happen in the future is to swim upstream to the people that are making the future. And Such's idea is basically that AI simultaneously lowers the floor and it raises the ceiling. And what does he mean by that? He basically means that it lowers the floor to reduce the barrier of entry for many fields. People with less experience or expertise can now accomplish things that only experts could previously do, thanks to AI tools. My challenge to you is to think like this. What could you build that packages expert-level solutions into user-friendly tools that empower anyone to achieve professional-level outcomes? That's kind of the takeout from Such's observation. That's my provocation.
Sparky, builder, and now app developer.
Can I write something really useful in the time from when I walked in the door to now?
Right, well, I also fall into the bracket of non-coder.
I'm going to make a rule that after this sprint, no one is ever allowed to again say the words, I'm a non-coder or I'm non-technical. Those words are now banned and not allowed to be used anymore. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to move one layer up the stack to become the orchestrator, not to become the busy work doer, which we currently are. So we really want to start to create a knowledge work. We are the knowledge worker, but we want to create our own AI knowledge worker. We instead are going to do the stuff that we uniquely are good at. So if you can get really good at using this, you've got a 40 cents an hour worker who's able to do all the stuff for you. What we're now going to see is we're going to see 10x other job categories. You're going to find a 10x accountant, a 10x lawyer, a 10x broker, a 10x creative. What is a currently 1x job category that through the use of AI, you can turn into a 10x job category through a product or service that you can deliver? You don't learn and then start, you start and then learn. And if that's ever been truer, then in 2025, they'll be surprised. So I'm predicting by the end of this 5-week sprint, everyone in this room will be a competent coder.
So what I'm showing here is an experience of a voice AI helping people with bookings.
So I've used a number of different things. I've built my own agent called Goma.
Screen Viber, a simple Python tool that analyzes screenshots using AI, then renames them based on their content.
I have a 14-month-old and I'd love to raise her bilingual. So the idea was to develop an app for Scouts with all the things that she likes and upload Opa's voice, so family members in the Netherlands, so that she can pick a book in English or in Dutch and choose the voice that she wants to.
Let me show you what somebody with zero technical skills can do vibe coding. I'll launch on Product Hunt next week. We'll look forward to getting your votes.
Fantastic. Well done.